In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find deleted messages in Microsoft Teams. Even though Teams doesn't let you fully restore every deleted message yourself, there is a simple way to uncover messages that are hidden or that seem to have disappeared from your chat history. I'll walk you through this process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to look and what to click. First, open Microsoft Teams and make sure you're signed into the correct account and team where the conversation took place. At the top of the Teams window, you'll see a search bar that runs across the top of the screen. This is your main tool for tracking down missing or hidden messages. Click into that search bar at the top. Now, type in the name of the person, group chat, or a keyword from the conversation you're trying to find. For example, if you remember a specific word or phrase that was in the message, type that in. If you don't remember the exact wording, try using broader terms that you know were part of that discussion. Once you have entered your search term, press enter on your keyboard. Teams will now show you a list of results related to your search. These can include messages, people, files, and group chats. Look through the results and click on the specific chat that you think contains the deleted or missing messages. This will open the conversation view for that chat. Inside the chat, you might notice that some parts of the conversation aren't immediately visible. When a chat has older or hidden content, Teams gives you an option to reveal it. Look for a link or button that says Show Hidden Chat History. This usually appears within the conversation area, often between messages or near the top of the chat. Click on Show Hidden Chat History. When you do this, Teams will expand the conversation and load older or previously hidden messages. This is where you'll often see messages that look like they were gone, including items that may have been removed from your main view. While truly deleted content may still be marked as deleted, this expanded history allows you to review more of the conversation around it and confirm what was said. Take a moment to scroll through the newly visible messages. If you're looking for something specific, scan carefully or use the search within the chat to narrow things down further. And that's it. By using the search bar and then clicking Show Hidden Chat History, you can quickly reveal messages